This video is going to be just an unboxing of the TP-Link Archer AC 1200 Wi-Fi router. This is a dual band router. You are going to get two bands with it, a 2.4 GHz band and a 5 GHz band. You can get this product for 2500 rupees. I got it from Amazon India for that same price. This product has got really good 2.4 GHz range and 5 GHz range too. The 2.4 GHz range on this router is really long. You can access this 2.4 GHz range that it offers across two walls without a problem. Obviously, you are not going to get speeds over 20-30 Mbps if you are way too far from the router, like there is a distance of about 50 feet and there are two walls, then surely you're not going to get the maximum speed, but you don't expect that too at such distance. And if you want the full speed, if you are expecting high speeds, then you should connect to this router on the 5 GHz band, and then you can get a maximum speed of 500 megabits. So this is a really good product. I have used it for the past 6 months. This has performed really well. I'm very happy with how the performance turned out on this thing. If you are someone who is looking for a router for about 5-7 people, then this is a really good option at the price at which it is offered. So unboxing is really basic. There is nothing very exciting in the box. You get the router, an adapter and just an Ethernet cable, which you should not use because I think this is a Cat5 cable, and if you want to get speeds over 100 Mbps on Wi-Fi, then you will definitely need Cat6 or higher. So just ignore this cable if you have a faster connection. Now, with the growing need of faster Wi-Fi in every home, I think the product like this is really important. You can get a dual band router for just 2500 rupees, and I don't think there is a product that is better than this router at this price. So if you need a router that performs really well and you have a very limited budget, then do consider this product. I have used it for the past 6 months and I have had absolutely no issues with it. One thing that I forgot to mention is the fact that it comes with gigabit LAN ports, which means that this router can support a speed of 1000 megabits on all of its LAN ports too. So in case you have a gigabit connection, you have a transfer rate of 1000 megabits per second, then this router can handle it without an issue over the LAN connection. Ultimately, I will say the best part about this router is the fact that it has got a really long 2.4 GHz range. I've used this router quite often and I've used it at a really long distance too. This product handles everything pretty nicely. If you want faster speeds, obviously use the 5 GHz band. But if you want long range, you're sitting way too far from the router, then its 2.4 GHz band is going to serve you really nicely. So this is it for this unboxing video. I hope you found the information that I shared useful. Do like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I will talk to you in the next one.